Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to share 5 of the best AI hairstyle apps that let you try different looks on your own face. Let's get started. First, we have Beauty Plus. This app makes it easy to test a variety of hairstyles and instantly see how they look on you. You can also adjust the hair color and length to better match your preferences and get a more personalized preview. Next is YouCam Makeup. While it's widely known for virtual makeup features, it also includes an AI-powered hairstyle tool. You can experiment with different haircuts, shades, and styles to find the one that suits you best. At number 3, we have Hair Hunt. This app allows you to browse through thousands of hairstyle ideas and apply them to your own photo. It's especially helpful for understanding which styles complement your face shape. Coming in at number 4 is Hairstyle Try-On. Simply upload your picture and explore trending hairstyles. The app offers multiple options for colors and lengths, so you can customize the look according to your taste. Finally, there's Hair App AI Hairstyle Try-On. This app uses advanced AI technology to generate realistic hairstyle previews. You can save different looks and compare them side by side to decide which one works best for you. Those are 5 of the best AI hairstyle apps that let you try new looks using your own face. Thanks for watching.